Hey everyone, I just thought I'd make this quick video and show you how to connect up a Bluetooth phone to your Axis Bluetooth stereo system. This is commonly fitted to a lot of motorhomes and campers, or even some cars. You might find them. We're in a 3-berth Nomad, which is built by Kia. So anyway, I'll quickly show you how to sync this up to your phone so you can play Bluetooth music. So what you need to do is go to your Bluetooth settings here and let it start searching for devices. Then what you have to do is turn this on. So if you're in a Kia, you just turn that TV switch on. That turns on. We'll turn that down. Now it should come up as car BT. There we go. So when you turn that on, you see car Bluetooth comes on there. So car BT, select that. Now we'll put in the code, which is 1234, and we'll hit the pair button at the top there. And now we're connected. Now to show you we're connected, I'll just go to my YouTube channel. Okay, so it's playing now. I'll just push this button. So now all we have to do is hit our play button. It's playing there now, you can see. I'll keep my phone down. We just push the mode button now. And it says A2DP. That's your Bluetooth connection. So we've turned the volume up. And I'll control it through my phone now. I'll show you then. You cool and you break through. So in order to open this AdBlue, what you have to do is this cap here. You lift this up and you turn this. Now in here, there's a special tool. I'll put up a picture now. So, and that's the part number. It goes in. We'll pause that now. So that's how you simply connect up this Bluetooth system. It can be quite confusing because on your JVCs and Sonys and other head units, you actually have to physically push a button in order to put it into Bluetooth mode. But with this particular head unit, all you have to do is literally turn it on, look for car BT as I showed you earlier, connect up to it, and then push the mode button to go to your Bluetooth settings once you've connected your phone up to it. So now if we want to go back to FM, just push that. That goes to aux, and that's your FM over there. Yeah. So as long as you're connected to this Axis head unit, you'll be able to play music and select your Bluetooth mode over here. But when you're not connected to it, Bluetooth will not come up. So just remember that you have to connect up your phone. You have to connect up that phone to the actual head unit. Then only will you be able to select Bluetooth mode on here. And also another thing worth noting is there's no built-in microphone here. If you want this head unit to pick up, or if you want it as a hands-free unit, you'll have to run an external microphone. You'll just have to remove this, pull it out, and plug a microphone at the back and place it anywhere you like within the camper or car or wherever else you have your Axis mounted. Okay, so just to confirm again, this is the Axis 1203 BT, and that's how you sync up your Bluetooth device onto the head unit. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope this video was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. See ya.